Got the essentials. Gonna see how this pink lemonade BioSteel is, and got a nice whey protein Gatorade protein caramel protein bar. So gonna absolutely muck this on the way to the car meet. So Ben and I is currently in his jet right now. He's just filling up on gas. Literally hit me up like maybe half an hour ago or so. Asked me if I want to go to the Strata season opener meet tonight. And I haven't been to this. Me and Connor, actually it was one of my videos from like 4 years ago. Me and Connor went there, and then we met Ben and his girlfriend and one of his other buddies there 4 years ago. That was like the beginning of May. So I guess they're doing it, and apparently they're having it at the Canada's Wonderland parking lot tonight. See a lot of cool cars, probably a lot of rev off battles, because that's what happens with these car meets.
Go, buddy.
What's up, bro? You ready?
Yep.
Say what's up to the vlog.
Hey, what's going on, vlog?
You guys haven't seen Ben a lot. I mean, you saw him in my one video, but if you catch my Sunday morning hockey videos, that's Ben who's sniping on Team Red with me.
Buddy, we do nothing but snipe.
Jeez. Well, that's nice.
Getting a good start to the day.
I know. I'm already seeing a bunch of supercars.
That's sick. That's Ferrari F8, man.
Oh, I would take that in a heartbeat.
Yeah, that's sick. Pick up the pace a little bit.
And Moss is gonna be.
He's probably going 160-ish right now, just cruising.
Oh, easily.
That's wild, man. It's making all sorts of cool noises.
Do it again. Do it again. Do it again, dude.
Yeah. See it?
I don't know if I saw it. I'll take a look.
There's a little spark on the right exhaust that came out. At nighttime, you would see flames on that thing.
Oh, Hondos.
Yeah, that's sick. I want to say he's probably...
Wow. Fuck, that's loud, man.
Yeah, that's super loud.
Yeah, it sounds like popcorn. Oh shit. Okay.
Just a bunch of events.
Dude, it came in at the perfect time. You know what it sounds like, a Lambo, when it's got that good like rasp to it and everything? Well, ooh. Okay. 911, I see you. Haha, this is what I came for, bro.
Let's go.
Holy shit. Here we go. Here you go, rev office. Literally called it. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, baby. Woo! Oh shit! Oh,
This is that Ferrari I was talking about, man. Isn't that sick?
that is nice. Yeah, get those angles, bro. Fuck, dude, it's loud here, man. We're gonna fucking be talking over Drake's music the entire time. TR, okay. Literally feels like we're at like a Forza Horizon like outpost right now. You got the stage, probably with all the flickering lights on once the sun goes down. That is a nice wing. First BRZ in here. All right. I'm not even joking. I see my wheels on every car now. Because it used to be.
I like wide body.
Purple? Okay.
Wide. Oh, that's clean. That's clean.
I like this one. That's sick.
That's really sick, though.
Alright, this is what I came to see. A couple skylines. Damn. It's fucking clean.
Tails. All the opposite side.
to it. Mr. Raider, on and Mr. Wrong.
That's a smart idea covering the
We had some busy seniors here.
Bro,
It's a regular.
it's literally a fucking motorcycle. Like, why? Okay, that's nice. Solid exhaust clip. Over Beer Zero. Oh shit, okay. Oh, RX-7? That's sick. Saw a couple rev offs too and a couple burnouts.
Couple burnouts. Saw some Lambos shooting flames.
Oh yeah, there's that Porsche dealership I was talking about.
Sweet.
They just a lot of cool shit. So honestly, like, it doesn't take us that much to get excited for cars. Usually, I see a car rev or rip down the street and shit. That's a good day in my books. Sure, they'll probably post a meet soon sometime, but until then, stay tuned for more car meets. If you're new to this video, leave a like, comment down below. Catch you next video. Peace out.